Okay, so namaste, good evening. So today will be the seventh day of 7 day manifestation process. 7 day manifestation. Okay, if you remember, day one is decide what to manifest. Day two, visualization. Day three, affirmations. Day four, day four, give back. Day five, stay positive. Day six, stay positive. Then what out? Day five, you need to check it again. Okay. Yeah. So day four is inspired action. Day four is inspired action. Give back. Day five. Day six, stay positive. Day seven, interesting day. Day seven is look to the sign. We forget this one. This is as a result. Now, if you have gone through all the process, the thank you universe 24th day, all the 24th. See, I told you everything is linked, every episode is linked, and every episode is carrying a step towards your manifestation, step towards your vibration raising up. So, before we start the day 7 day manifestation process, I have taught you everything which is raising your vibration to match your frequency for the manifestation. You will have to upgrade yourself to reach certain level where the frequency of manifestation will be matching. Now once that is matched, you have gone for the process. Okay, particular for something you are going to manifest. Now suppose you are going to job, everything, anything you want to manifest, house, car, anything you want to manifest, you have gone with the process. 7 day process. Day one, decide what to do, what to manifest. Day two, what to manifest. You have decided visualization on that. Day three is affirmations. For that, what you want to do. Day four is inspired action. You need to take action. And day five is give back. Whatever you earn should give back to the value of the people. And day six is stay positive. You need to stay positive. Now day seven is look for the sign. If you've gone all this process, now suppose you might be hearing someone will say you, congratulations, you got this. Somewhere some newspaper on your manifestation, you saw the page which is directly linking with what you asked. Sometimes I get sign when I go to the office. If my day is good, three what is this? Traffic signals are there. Three traffic signal is there. All the traffic signal is clear. If my day is good, just about to stop, I'm crossing, or just open. So I find if my day is not good, I find somewhere I'm stuck in the traffic signal. So that is what is universe is giving signal. Universe is giving indication. Sometimes you might be thinking that some friends you are searching, or all of a sudden the friend who was invisible since long time, all of a sudden is calling. is giving a indication. It's a universe gives sign. Most probably what happened when we are not very closely looking for the vibration, energy, everything, these signs we ignore, or else everything happened to you, universe gives you the sign. Sometimes when I go in the bike, I see a car is moving with 4444 number. It's an angel number 444. Suppose a car is when a bike is going, it's number all of a sudden when I see 1111, that means the angel number, it shows your work is accomplishing, or it is going to be the complete the beautiful way. So these are all the signs. Look for that sign. Somewhere in universe will give you the sign. Or some friend to you have already forgotten is calling. Suppose you are asking for the job, you might be seeing all of a sudden somebody is given in the WhatsApp or so somewhere this post is open, you can go for this. So these are all the signs. When that is only when you are very sensitive to this, and you can be only sensitive to the energy when you are raising your vibration up. Or else अरे यार ऐसे होता है, वो होता है, ऐसे coincidence. Remember, in the manifestation dictionary there is no coincidence. In quantum science there is no coincidence. Everything happens for a reason, and everything is happening with you because of your own energy where you are raised. You might have forgotten yesterday, you might have forgotten year back talk, but you have sent to the universe and it is giving you back. Simple. So बाकी आप अगर ये करेंगे तो give back is most necessary. You will have to add value. These all the things which has been told is all raising your vibration and matching your frequency to your manifestation, what you want to manifest, right? So thank you.